SoftFront CRM makes managing users and groups a breeze. In this video, I will show you how to create, edit, and delete a user and user groups, and we'll cover table-level permissions as well. Here I am on my home screen. To get to the user settings, I go to the upper right-hand corner under my name and click Setup in the drop-down menu. Then on the left, I click Users and Groups Setup to open these up, and then I click on Users to manage my users. Here you can see a list of all the current users on my account. So a user is anyone who you want to use the CRM system, and you want to create different users because that way everybody who logs in can keep all their different leads, accounts, opportunities, all that information. They can keep it separate from each other and track their various goals and analytics. To create a new user, I just click New and enter in all the information for my new user. And I can add them to various groups right here. So I'm going to add customer service and marketing. Click OK. And I can also change their mail system and license information here right now if I want to. And I click OK. So now if I go up here to look at all my groups, I can see that I've been added here. And if I want to edit, I just go ahead and click Edit, and I can change any information here. And the same if I want to delete it, I just hit Delete, and that person will be gone from my user group list. Now I'll show you how I manage my user groups. Click over here on User Groups. So you can see here that you're able to add, edit, and delete user groups right from this menu. Adding users to user groups is an easy way to manage permissions of various employees. For example, I only want call dispatchers to be able to view and edit certain portions in the CRM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at this user group named Call Dispatcher, which has already been set up. You can see here that these two users in my Call Dispatchers group can only view and edit the tables to the right. If I want to change these permissions, I click next to their name and hit Edit. Here I can add or remove the specific permissions I want them to have. So right now, I'm going to add a couple. Let's add Batch Delete, Batch Update, Contact Forms, and then I'm just going to go ahead and remove them just to show you an example of that and click OK. To create a new user group, I just click on New, type in the name I want, and add privileges like I did before. Add Batch Delete, Batch Update, build scripts, create queries and reports, and maybe export reports. And then if I need to, I can go ahead and remove them in the same way. I can also manage the tables they are able to access through the Tables button. Here I can add and remove tables the same way I did with permissions. Tables are repositories of data or lists of records which each person has access to. And when I'm done adding tables, I just click OK. I can also manage which users are in this group by clicking on Users and then adding or removing their names from the group. I can also easily edit and delete user groups with these buttons right up here. As you can see, SoftFront makes it easy to set up users and user groups so you can get up and running in no time. SoftFront's intuitive design allows you to save time, making your day more productive. For more information or to schedule a demo, call 1-800-SoftFront or visit www.softfront.com.